Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Chaos King on piano using an easy method. We'll begin by identifying the core melody and bass line. For the right hand, focus on the main tune, while your left hand will play simplified chords. Start by practicing the C minor and G major chords, as these are fundamental to the song structure. Take your time to get comfortable with these basic building blocks. Now let's simplify the right-hand melody. You can learn the main tune by primarily using white keys, making it much more accessible. Break the melody into small, manageable phrases, perhaps 2 to 4 notes at a time, and master each one before moving on. Remember to use standard finger numbers, 1 through 5, to ensure smooth transitions and efficient playing. This approach builds confidence quickly. For your left hand, we'll use simple root position chords to provide a solid foundation. The key is to coordinate both hands slowly, focusing on one short phrase at a time until it feels natural. Don't rush this step. Accuracy is more important than speed right now. Strive to maintain a steady, even rhythm throughout your playing, ensuring both hands work together harmoniously. This builds a strong musical base. To truly master Chaos King, consistent practice is essential. Aim for daily, short, and focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes, rather than long, infrequent ones. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo, but always prioritize accuracy. Finally, listen to the original song often. It will inspire you and help you internalize the rhythm and feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.